Hey Jeff, so the issue I'm having is when I press one of these buttons, I don't get anything coming out, no audio from the navigation system. I took it out, kind of unplugged everything and plugged it back in, and it worked for a trip, and then it just went back to this again. I'm not sure if there's a way to troubleshoot this. Is it a software issue, hardware issue, loose wire somewhere? Let me know, because the navigation is one of the most important aspects of this device. Alright, thank you. Like, it lowers, like it wants to interrupt and say something, but I get nothing. I'm not sure if it has something to do with that little box in the trunk, that little square connection, but let me know.